Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an unboxing, and also I will be swatching these Nail Addict Los Angeles gel polishes. Super excited to be sharing these with you guys. The brand did send these over to me to share with you guys, so if you want to try a new gel polish brand, definitely continue watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I did receive my box here in the mail, and I pulled them out, but they were pretty much like in between all of this paper, they were super well protected, which I did love. So Nail Addict Los Angeles did reach out to me and offered me to pick out 3 shades from their line, and they have a ton of shades for you to pick from. So I did go ahead and pick these 3 shades. So this one right here is called Sandman. This one is called Paris in Love, and then I picked this olive shade called Wonderland. And then I also did pick up their No White Gel Top Coat, which I've heard amazing things about, as well as the peel off base. I've heard good things about a peel off bases where you can apply this under your gel top coat and you can pop them off in a few days if you want to switch out your mani. So that is awesome. And then lastly, they sent to me was their base, which you could apply under the gel polish to have more of a long-lasting gel manicure. So these are the 6 products I picked out. So I will be swatching these 3 for you on some nail swatches. And these are gel polishes, so they do require you to have a UV lamp of some sort. So here is mine, and it's plugged in already. So I am going to just have this right here, and we'll get to swatching. So I have swatched these shades already, but I ended up applying like a chrome powder to them. So I definitely have to re-swatch them. So I haven't tried the peel off base, but I'm excited to try them out. I wear dip nails, and I heard that you can apply a peel off base also to kind of pop off your dip powder nails. So I'm excited to try this out soon. I do have oily nail beds, so they already kind of lift like in a week and a half. So using this will help if I wanted to pop them off in a week or so. So this is nice. I'm excited for that. So I am going to go ahead and apply the base, because you do want to apply a base to have your gel polish be long lasting. So I am going to be applying that to all of the tips here before I apply the color. And then I'm just going to cure them for 60 seconds. Yesterday when I swatched these, I was really impressed because it was pretty much like a one swipe coat. I didn't have to go back into the bottle to swatch them, so I was very impressed on how opaque they were. So this one was the first one I put in there, so I'm just going to go ahead and take it out. I did add another 60 seconds because they weren't all in there for 60 seconds. So as you can see here, this is a shade called Sandman, and all I did is swipe on one side of the brush. And how opaque this is. This is super nice. I don't wear a lot of gel polishes, but I was actually very impressed. And I love that the bottle matches the polish, so you'll definitely be getting the color you see on the bottle, which is awesome. So I'm going to put this into cure as well. I'm going to grab the other one so I can go ahead and swatch this one, which is called Paris in Love. And again, look how opaque this is. This is awesome. I'm like really impressed. And then lastly, the shade I will be swatching is a shade called Wonderland, which is an olive color. This matches my rag that I have here on my desk. So this is what Sandman looks like. It's cured already. And again, you can see the color on the bottle is the same as the color in the swatch, which is cool. I will be taking the No Wipe Gel Top Coat. I feel like you don't really need a gel top coat, but if you want it to be extra shiny, I would definitely recommend. There's some gel top coats where they require you to apply some, I don't know if it's acetone or rubbing alcohol. I think it's acetone. And this just makes it more glossy, and since it's a no wipe gel top coat, all you have to do is cure it and then you don't even have to wipe it down. Here is the shade called Paris in Love, and again, I love that it matches the color on the bottle. And I will also be applying the no wipe gel top coat. So here are my swatches for all of them. I did just notice that my camera did not record when I was showing you guys this color and applying the no wipe gel top coat, but it's the same as the other ones where it matches the bottle, which is awesome. So here are the 3 nail swatches of the shades that I picked out. Sandman, Paris in Love, and then Wonderland. You guys, these are beautiful. These shades would have been perfect for like springtime and also the fall time as well. To be honest, any color for any time of the year. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in picking up the Nail Addict, definitely check them out. They did offer me a coupon code, which is Mariela25. Will give you 25% off. So definitely check out their website. I love that, again, the color matches the bottle, and then also you do have the color on the lids as well, which is a nice touch there so you can see what color you have. I have seen some people that swatch the colors on their bottle so they know what color it is, but this is nice where it comes with the swatches already on top, and they're pretty spot on as well. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!